everyone, it's Rylan here with Sena, and today we're going to go over all of the items that come in your 60S box. So let's get into it. First, of course, you get the 60S, as well as you get 4 different colored faceplates. You have a helmet mount with a clamp. This one has a wired boom mic, which is perfect for open face helmets. You have the universal helmet clamp, which is good for any mic that you want to choose, so a wired mic or a wired boom mic. And these are great if you want 2 different helmet setups. And you have a mount that adheres to the side of the helmet as well as the tape on the side, so you have 3 different clamp options that are great if you have more than one helmet and you want to swap between units. It comes with magnetic covers. These are going to keep your port protected when you're not using it. So you have the boom mic fixed to the clamp. You have the wired boom mic. This is ideal if you need it out a little bit more. It's a little bit longer than the regular boom. And then you also have the wired mic. With these units, you get a hook and loop fastener for the wired mic as well as a holder to hold it in place. You have a hook and loop fastener for the boom mic. And then you also come with these speaker pads. These, if you would like the sound a little bit closer to your ears, these are going to push the speakers out so you can hear a little bit louder in the sound. As well as the speakers come with their own hook and loops to attach to the inside of the helmet. You come with 4 mic sponges. You come with 2 sets of Harman Kardon speakers, which is great for 2 different helmets. So you have one that comes with 2 speakers without a microphone jack. This is going to be for that boom mic clamp. And then you have one with the microphone jack for the universal clamp. If you'd like to use your own headphones, it also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. This is if you want to use your own headphones while writing. You also get your USB-C charger, and that is everything that comes inside the box with your 60S. My favorite thing about this is that you get 2 helmet setups. So you get 2 of those speakers as well as 2 helmet clamps for you to be able to swap between helmets whenever you need. So thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to catch you next time.
Connected.